In these videos, we've explored a unified understanding of reality, an understanding rooted in the recognition that the nature of being, which we experience directly as the non objective presence of awareness, is the essential nature of reality. But can this insight be translated into the rigorous language of mathematics, the very language upon which modern science and technology are built? Mathematics is a system for describing form, objects, and their relationships. But what we're pointing to here is the formless presence in which all forms arise. So, how can a system built on form and describing form accurately describe the formless? It helps to remember what mathematics actually is: a symbolic sketch of a conceptual idea. As its symbols are defined, refined, and tested, their power is revealed as their ability to accurately describe the patterned presence of experience. In this sense, mathematics is not fundamentally different from English or any other language. It's simply a condensed and precise form of symbolic communication. So, if we can have an informed, coherent conversation about the nature of being in English, that alone reveals that this insight can be translated into mathematics. But how? Certainly not by throwing out what we've already built, and not by changing math. Instead, the shift comes as the recontextualization of our existing mathematical language. As it stands, mathematics describes reality through a materialist framework, a lens defined by the belief that reality exists separately from direct experience. But when it's recognized that experience is reality, that the two are only ever separated by abstraction, our mathematical understanding begins to shift accordingly. In other words, a truly unified mathematical description of reality arises from the empirically direct recognition that reality is unified. When this recognition is expressed through the mind of anyone fluent in the language of mathematics, a coherent, unified mathematical description naturally emerges. The only thing we ever seem to lack is the one thing that is never absent: direct experience.